Cedar Point came to us and asked, what can we do to reimagine Top Thrill? Our roller coaster business unit came up with a lot of great ideas. What we settled upon was a truly terrifying guest experience.
Welcome back to Ghoster Coasters, and boy do we have some exciting news about Top Thrill 2 and IAAPA news.
Yeah, so starting off at IAAPA, Tony Clark and Adam Sandy revealed the new Top Thrill 2 trains. We have black, we have
blue,
and we have white. Now, our thoughts on these trains are they're pretty sleek, they're pretty open. I like them. I mean, the original dragster trains were pretty open too, the old intamin T-bars, but these ones come over the shoulder lap bars here. It's kind of nice, kind of transitioning to, you know, more of the newer style we see on rides like Copperhead Strike and stuff. Yes. I'm excited about that. The white is what kind of terrifies me. That in the middle of June, at the end of May, all the mayflies, that's going to be fun to keep clean for Cedar Point. I'm going to, you know, keep tabs on that one. That's going to be a fun one, keeping clean. But they do look pretty sleek. I'm impressed with them. The riders per hour is not too high on Dragster, or sorry, Top Thrill 2 coming up, but it's still pretty exciting. Now, they did also show the massive wheels on Top Thrill 2. Yes. These wheels are going to help dissipate the heat. I like the little bullet hole punches in them. They're kind of sweet. Cool. Yeah, it looked nice. I mean, these trains look sleek. Do they not?
They really do. I'm very impressed. Sharp.
Yeah, super sharp trains. So Cedar Point knocked out the trains for sure at IAAPA. That was one of the better reveals. Obviously, they were overshadowed by some other taller roller coasters coming to places we'll never be.
Exactly.
But nonetheless, Top Thrill 2 is moving along. We know that they have the Intrasys Slim Drive LSMs that have been being installed on this ride. That is super exciting in and of itself. Pretty reliable LSM system there. Yeah, hopefully they can get this running up by opening day. It seems as though they're marching towards that 420-foot mark on the spike. Speaking of, we'll probably be going about 345 to 360 feet up it.
Which is taller than Millennium's first hill. Ooh.
Yeah, I mean, just imagine being up that spike. Okay, so go back to Wicked Twister. You were 200 feet up on that.
Yeah.
Like, it's almost double.
And there's no twisting, so you're going straight up and you're looking straight down. I mean, that's intimidation all in itself.
Yeah, and then rushing straight into that head chopper, which Cedar Point has painted the station blue and added the additional column to the station as well. That's been completed, so exciting news there.
It is. I'm really loving this color scheme.
It looks wonderful. That's the one thing I think they did knock out. I mean, the name was lazy in and of itself, but I do think that they knocked out the color scheme. I'm pretty excited for that, but the more exciting news coming up.
Strata stuck. We need to keep these.
Where are we at?
3 times. Strata structure status.
Yeah, say that
3 times.
Yeah, try that one. Strata structure status, everybody. The spike has hit 400 feet. Cedar Point now has 2 strata structures within its own park. Beat that, Six Flags Great Adventure.
Right.
I know they got the drop tower on King to Cobb, but now we have 2 400-foot structures in one park. That skyline looks crazy. I've seen some pictures from people. Tony Clark posted some. Some of our friends, like Execution Man, has gone over there.
Right.
It is incredible.
I'm so excited.
This spike is so close to being done. We are 3 track pieces away from completing the track. We are almost there, guys. Now, the week ahead looks pretty good for weather, so who knows, weather permitting, we may see this spike almost done or done by the end of the week. That's what's crazy.
Crazy.
It's crazy. We predicted, what, 200 feet by the end of October, 250?
Early Merry Christmas, Thuzies.
Yeah, exactly. We're going to get this spike done, which is pointing to a lot of things for me, that they're going to be testing this thing as soon as the weather breaks, which is awesome for us because hopefully, fingers crossed, they can work out all of the kinks before opening day, figure out how to get this thing running optimally. Obviously, when you have tons of riders and stuff, things are going to change.
Exactly.
It's not going to be perfect day one, but I'm so excited for the future of Top Thrill 2.
Oh, I am too. I can't wait to ride it.
We're going to be there opening day.
Oh, absolutely.
Just screaming up the spike, racing towards the sky. I don't know what we're racing. I mean, maybe racing thoughts, racing, your fears. I don't know.
Yeah.
But we're joining the team.
Yeah, I'm definitely joining the team. I can't wait for those thrills. Like, Just the intensity itself. I'm like, wow.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Top
That
Thrill
drop.
2 is looking amazing. The spike was always amazing.
That's the thing. And the rollback, like, I know everybody's like, and not that big, not that big.
Still a rollback.
It's
and
a
you're going to launch
rollback.
101 miles backwards.
Exactly. Like,
I'm looking
can you
forward to
beat
that. It's really hard to beat that. I'm really looking forward to the backwards launch part. What's the part you're looking forward to most?
I am also looking forward to that backward launch up the spike.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
It's going to be hard to beat that feeling of floating up the spike and just hanging there like 300 feet in the air.
Exactly.
How is this not like something that more people are excited about? I understand it was a little underwhelming and people thought more was coming to this ride, or you're going to get intamin back in the parks. We did too. But this ride looks like it's going to knock it out of the park. It's going to check off a whole bunch of boxes.
It really is. And the thing that gets me is I've ridden coasters with that similar type of restraint, and now looking at what we're actually going to be going through and all the elements with these restraints is absolutely insane. Like, the feelings are definitely going to be different than the oil style
The
of flat
T-bars.
bars. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or an over-the-shoulder restraint even. So, like, I'm kind of really excited about that.
Yeah, it should be fun. First rides, first impressions of it, you know, everybody was a little underwhelmed, but I think when they ride it, everyone's going to be like, oh, okay, Cedar Point did it right. Now,
Yeah.
the riders per hour, I think it was at what, like 1,000 or
Yeah, I think it
1,200,
was
something like
something like
that, in between. It's not very high, I understand, but theoretically, the old one wasn't running at that. I think it'll be similar. Like, it's going to run pretty close to or better than before.
Hopefully.
We're going to get more ride time on one of the tallest roller coasters in the world. Now, it's going to be third after Falcon's Flight and King Ka. But, hey, Cedar Point has 2 strata structures. Beat that. I'm super excited about it. Let us know what you guys think down below. What's your favorite element about this new ride? Are you excited for the backwards launch? Underwhelmed by the first launch?
Do you plan on being there opening day to ride it?
Yeah, because if you are, we're going to have a big old opening day meetup for this if it's open,
Absolutely.
because that's just what we do. But, yeah, let us know what you guys think. Make sure you smash that like button. You know, we don't really ask for much. Just smash that like button for us.
Yep.
And if you don't already, subscribe. We're going to be at Cedar Point all year next summer. If you're there, say hi to us. Come up to us. Get some rides on the new Top Thrill 2. And
As always, thank you for being a part of this spooky community and for
Coaster Ghostin' with Ghoster Coasters. Have a Six Flags day, everybody.
And keep it coming to Rock and Roller Coast.
Cedar Flags.